If your table allows, the Husqvarna Viking Embroidery S600 does come with a presser foot lifter. Now what this is that when you put it in, and we're going to place it in here, it is going to lift and lower the presser foot when you use your right knee. So this is like having a third hand. So instead of letting go of your fabric and coming over here and lifting up your presser foot each time that you need to like adjust, or especially when you're on the cover stitch side of your machine, this is going to be your lifesaver. So first off, I have moved the serger to the nearest part of the table. I've also got ahead and put the slide-on table on because when you are all set up with the right work surface, this makes total sense. So again, if your table allows it, mine does even with this little extra drawer that I have here, you're going to notice that there are some edges that will line up with the hole opening. So just peek in there and just move it so it lines up and you can push it all the way in. It is at a slight angle when you push it in, and now when you sit right up in front of the needle and you can take your right knee, you can hear the machine lifting and lowering the presser foot. Now it is not going to lock in the up position if you just push it over. It will come back and sit on the fabric. So where are places I'd use this? So first off, if you've ever got to manipulate a little bit, or you feel like you are always lifting this front toe to help something get started, that would be a perfect place to have the foot rise up a little bit, slide that fabric underneath, lower it down, and then go ahead and stitch. And I don't think the machine will stitch. If for any reason you have your knee up against that, it will make sure to always have it only so when it has been fully released by your knee, and then you can go ahead and stitch. The other thing that you'll notice is when you are in the cover stitch mode, there's some lifting and lowering of that presser foot because you're starting and stopping on the fabric. It'll be the time where you'll probably use it the most. And again, if you're going over seam allowances, kind of lifting that foot up, getting maybe something tucked in, so when it travels over it, it's facing the right way. That would be another place that I'd like to keep all my hands, both of them, on the fabric so I can manipulate while stitching and not have to let go to use the manual presser foot lifter. So I hope you'll give that a try. Know that it came with your machine, and it is a great feature that was included with the beautiful Husqvarna Viking Embroidery S600. Check out all of our videos. We have links below in the description for all the free tutorials on this wonderful serger and overlock machine.